Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video focuses on the exact process of how to register, complete the process, and also submit the CEUs in your AHIMA login. Hello and welcome to Learn Right. I'm Vinay Kumar. I'm a trainer with over 2 decades of experience in the US healthcare industry. I have trained more than 1,000 coding professionals to learn and get certified in medical coding. This is a continuation of my previous video where I spoke about how to search for CEUs from different sources. Now we will learn how to enter them into AHIMA CEU Center. I'm going to walk you through the process for MRO Corp, which is one of the current vendors providing AHIMA CEUs for free. So let's get started. Enter the link provided in the video description, which will take you to the page where all the webinars are listed from MRO Corp. This is how it looks like, and once you enter the website, you can see that all the webinars are listed here one after the other, and you can also see the upcoming webinars which are listed here. So you can register for all of them and then complete your CEU process. Now, make sure that you come back and check this page regularly so that you will know when a new webinar has been added or updated by this particular vendor. So let's pick up this particular webinar for our example, Interoperability and the Cures Act, Practical Applications of an Evolving Landscape. So click on this link and it will take you to the next page where the webinar details are completely listed. So this is the webinar details, and it will tell you how many CEUs you will get from here, and it will also tell you the information on which domain it will be applicable to. So you might want to remember this domain information, and then the next thing you do is register for this event. Enter all your details, your full name, and then the email ID. I would prefer using the same email ID that is linked to your AHIMA login for registering all these events. Once you enter all the information, click on the request playback, and then you will get a confirmation stating that you have been registered. You can check your email, and this is how it looks like in your email. Once you receive this email, or once the confirmation is done for the registration, then go back and log into your AHIMA portal and click on Enter CEUs. This will be listed under the Education tab and then the CEU Center. Now if you look at this particular example, there are 5 CEUs which are entered, which are all from the 2020 Coding Specialist self-reviews. Now once I select Enter CEUs, the next window that will pop up is this one, where you have to select Prior Approved. Now remember, MRO Corp webinars are all prior approved, so we will select Prior Approved as the option here. But if it is some other vendor where the prior approval information is not written or something like that, or if you can't find that particular webinar details under the Prior Approved tab, you might want to enter all these in the external option here above. So once you select this, in the next window you have to select the education type, which would be usually webinar. Then enter the date granted whenever you have registered for the event. Then the number of units or the CEUs for that particular event, and select the HIM domain which I just showed you. Then in this particular example, the vendor would be MRO, school or provider. Then you can select the exact class. Now this is for MRO. Some other vendors, you may not see all these listings, right? You must be selecting external as the provider. In those cases, you might have to enter the entire webinar header or information manually. Now, the next thing you do is you double check whether the webinar details are matching or not, and then hit submit. Once you click submit, it will ask you whether you want to upload any attachments like this. Now for MRO Corp, you don't need to upload any attachments, but other ones like TrueCode, for example, you'll get a completion certificate. If you have a certificate as such, you can upload that certificate as a proof of completion. Here, you can click on add files and just attach that particular document. You can close this window once the attachments are done if applicable, and then go back and check. This is how the CEU center will look like. We started with 5, now it is 6 CEUs. You see the interoperability and the Cures Act has been added now. This is how it looks like. You can close this window, and then when you go back and check your CEU center, this is how it looks like. You see the 6th CEU has been added, interoperability and the Cures Act, practical applications. This is how you complete the CEU process. Let's try and look at another example. Telehealth, the pandemic and beyond. So click on the link. You'll go to that particular webinar details page and then follow the entire process. So you have to enter all your details, go to the CEU center after registration, select prior approved, then enter the education type as webinar, then date granted whenever you have registered, the number of CEUs earned, the HIIM domain, then the school or provider, in this case MRO, and then the specific name of the webinar or the class. And hit submit. Close it and you're done. So this is how you generally finish your CEUs, by attending these webinars. You see the telehealth, pandemic and beyond has also been added. Now we have completed 7 CEUs. Remember, we are supposed to earn 16 CEUs which are pertaining to the HIIM domain, and the other 4 can be from any other domains. A minimum of 16 are required. Now if you look at this particular window, it shows clearly that all 7 that we have completed qualify for the HIIM CEUs. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when new videos are uploaded. I'm going to cover a lot of topics related to medical coding for both beginners as well as the experienced people. Thank you so much.